2001 time machine. What a time to be a Dunk fan, 2001. Is the Nike Dunk Argon. And didn't Union name they dunks Argon? Yeah, I showed y'all that. They was called Argon, right? So the Nike Dunk Argon. Y'all know what I mean, Argon. I'm just into this House of Dragon stuff, and it's like all they name is Argon. But yeah, the Argons, they back. Same deep blue colorway with that nice blue that everyone loves. I'm hype about this review. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack.
I think a little something like this.
Yes, sir. So these dropped last Saturday, I think, on the sneakers app. I was lucky enough to cop. Dunks are coming out every week. Them black and white, the Panda joints, those are the new Air Force Ones, guys. I know today's like the 70th anniversary for Air Force Ones, but the Panda Dunks is the new Air Force Ones. They coming out every day. High, low, women, kids. How many pairs did they make, man? But it's blessed when you get a dunk that's from that historic dunk run. 2001, 2002, dunks ruled the world, man. So many dunks were made that they started going to outlets, man, and sitting on shelves. But this one right here was a Japan exclusive. Like, this was like one of the high-priced ones. Not talked about a lot like the Pigs Fly and the staple pigeon joints. But this was one of those ones, man. Prices crept on these. So it's crazy how Nike decided to drop these with no real hype. Retail was $130. Usually retail on a dunk is like $100 flat. So that kind of shows you the history of this sneaker. But I don't want to talk too long, man. Let's get into the review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your red original Nike box, burnt orange red. I can never really like figure out the real color, but today it looks red. And this is the box you get when the Nike Dunk really doesn't have a theme to it, or it's not an SB. You usually just get this red Nike box, and the color code is, well, it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro QS. QS usually means it's a little above your regular dunk. Flash white, argon blue, flash. When you flip open the lid, you get your regular OG tissue paper, and that's about it. Let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Argon. And now I could kind of see what Union was going for with their passport pack joint when they went with the Argons. This shoe is clean, guys. Clean. So I want to start with the swoosh here. This swoosh is a regular swoosh, but for some reason to me it's looking 3D. I think it's the color blocking. I think it's the dark deep blue and then the light blue with the white around it. As you can see, it's cut off right there from the panels. But this, I don't know, for some reason this swoosh looks different to me, but that's in a white leather colorway. And again, you see how it connects to both the light blue and the dark blue. I think that's dope, guys. Come around, again, deep blue, light blue, toe box, deep blue. And I mean, I seen better leather. It does have some bounce back though. And that's in the deep blue. Around it, again, you got your light blue. Just looks like the sea, man. And that leather looks to be fine leather. But again, I seen better leather, but this leather is not shabby. That's all the way around, back to the inside, and you get the same swoosh as the outside with the same color blocking. The bottom has your white, and then down here, again, that light blue creeps in again, which makes this sneaker color blocking fire. Back has your Nike logo and your Dunk OG font that reads Nike. This is OG. I hope they never change this. I know it looks regular and original, but this is how you can spot a Dunk or SB. I really like that Nike, but that's in that deep royal, also blue. Got the white swooshes color block in the back, more deep royal blue, back to your light blue, to your white, then back to your light blue again, and that's simply the back. Your toe box sports that like UNC look, as you got the white tag with the baby blue Nike logo, swoosh, deep blue tongue, not an SB, so you know you get your regular thin tongue. Still fire though, man. Your shoelaces is in like white. It's not sail. It's not off-white. This is regular white shoelaces. Nike Dunk style. Your insoles is in that powder nice blue also with the deep royal Nike swoosh tag in the inside. Dope colorway, man. Let me pull this tissue paper out, see if we got anything else. No shoe tree, you get your regular tissue paper. If you got Dunks, you know this is how they come. But yeah, nothing else in there besides just the insoles. If you look around the sneaker, you see that material? I know Dunk is known for their softness and they zoom air material on the inside that helps the Achilles and supports. But this material is sure to keep your feet comfortable, man. Just look at it. It looks like it's satin. Look like a satin pillow, guys. The bottom, powder blue. Have you seen one Nike Dunk, one Air Force One, one SB? This is the bottom for everything, but this is the same color. It's all powder blue. Nothing's mixed. Let me know which ones are the latest Dunks y'all going with. This is the SB Dodgers. I almost said Jackie Raw. And this is the Argon joints. One is an SB, one is a Dunk. They both sport that deep sea blue, so that's why I brought them both up. But yeah. Me personally, the nostalgic of this sneaker alone is what I think Nike is banking on. That's why they gave it the $130 price tag. And that's why they put it out without hype. No history lesson, they just threw it out. So I think they're just banking on people knowing what they know, and the Dunk heads from back in the days just knowing what this sneaker mean. Right now, resale, I looked at gold around 160, StockX the same. So you're looking at 160 for this sneaker right now, a week after release. The Passport Union joints is at like 250. And the ones from 2001 is at almost 500. So a sneaker from 2001 being at $500 is wow. Sneakers unwearable. Like that's carry one. That's like 21 years old. So people paying $500 for that, man. I believe that sneaker should be unwearable, but that's crazy. So with that being said, I feel like if you hold on to this sneaker, the value of the sneaker would definitely rise. It's a Dunk, unless it's restocking every single week like the Pandas, which I doubt. If we do get a restock, it may be one more, but I doubt these restock crazy because these weren't a sneaker that you could find at Foot Locker, Champs, Jimmy Jazz, Snipes. It only dropped on the Sneakers app. So keep that in mind. I like this sneaker. It reminds me of every dope Jordan 1, whether it was the Game Royals or the UNCs. This is a dope sneaker. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this sneaker. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.
Indiana Jones on the soundtrack. I think, oh, well, it don't stop like this.